The marquee selection tools work by selecting a constrained shape. So you can click over here, you'll see different options. You have a rectangular or an elliptical. You won't be using single row marquee tools, so you can just, for the most part, ignore those. I want to select this bowl of raspberries, so I'm going to choose the elliptical marquee tool. That will let me choose oval or circular shapes. One option I have is I can click in an upper corner, drag across. If I hold shift, it stays as a actual circle. If I let go of shift, it becomes an oval. So I'm gonna keep shift, and once I've made my selection, I can actually go ahead and move it in order to get exactly what I want. I also have the option, so up here again you have your tool options, of doing what's called a feather. With no feather, it's going to make a solid line. I can choose to give it like a high feather. See what happens when I do this. And now I deselect it. When I make my selection, so Control C, and just to see really how it goes, I'm going to paste it here. It has a really soft edge around it, and that's because I've changed the feather. What I can also do is, if I want to, I can select from the center of the object using again my elliptical marquee tool. I'm going to put the feather back down to 0. I want to get a solid straight line this time, or solid line. I'm going to go for the general center of my shape, and I'm going to hold Alt down and then make my selection. Do you see how it's choosing from the center as opposed from the edge? If I hold Shift, it becomes a circle. So I'm going to grab that again, maybe scooch it a little bit so I have some of the edge of the bowl in all of the image. And now I can copy it, Control C, go to my destination document and do Control V. I didn't actually copy it. It was in the wrong layer. Control C, back over here, and Control V. Now I'm lucky, I've got 2 bowls of raspberries and I can decide which one I want to use. If I want to use the feathered one, or if I want to use the one with the more sharp edge. If I'm unsure right now, I can actually just turn off the layer, keep it without deleting it, just close the little eyeball over here in the layers palette. Just click on that. It's still there, but you can't see it.